Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Guard Environment by Learning. I am Bhagishri and today we are going to discuss different event which is already happened related to environmental science with different days, dates and very important themes. This is very relevant for all upcoming exams. You all know, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि इस समय all related environmental topics and themes are very important and most probably कि ये सब questions आ सकते हैं. ये सब exams में इससे related एक दो question ज़रूर आने वाले हैं. ये already event हो चुके हैं. इनके 2020 में क्या themes रहे हैं हम इस पे आज discuss करेंगे. तो let's begin our video. Theme 2020. First of all, we are going to discuss Wetland Day celebrated on 2nd February. Theme was wetlands and biodiversity. Wetlands are very important area which is filled by water and it support different type of organism in the particular area and made a aquatic ecosystem. And it is very productive in nature and have good in nutrition. Wetlands are very important for ecosystem and for biodiversity development. After that, we are going to discuss National Science Day celebrated on 28th February. Theme was Women in Science. Theme is focused on discoveries and development and also motivate the women. After that, World Wild Day was celebrated on 3rd March. Theme was Sustaining All Life on Earth. Theme supported necessity and requirement for all life, all wild animal plant species as key component of the world biodiversity. After that, World Forest Day was celebrated on 21st March. Theme was forest and biodiversity. Forest is very important for all living organism, for living life, because for economically, for environmentally, it is very productive and give lots of things to survive, and for biodiversity also, to increase the biodiversity in the on the earth. After that, we are going to discuss World Water Day was celebrated on 22 March. Theme was Water and Climate Change. Water Day celebrated every year expose how water and climate change are inseparably interlinked with each other. Water is important for survival purpose, and if water is affected, climate changes must be affected, and by climate change human resources are must affected by these two affection. So World Water Day was celebrated on 22nd March and this year theme was water and climate change. After World Health Day celebrated on 7th April, theme was and tagline support nurses and midwife. You all know this is the time of COVID-19 और इस समय हम लोग को सबको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, those who are supporting us for our life. They include all police and army guards and nurses, doctor, midwife and electricians and those who are working for network purpose and many other they etc. They all are working for our life. So we have to support all of them. So this year tagline was support nurses and midwife. After that, World Earth Day celebrated on 22nd April. Theme was climate action. At the time of this, action on climate change have distinguished the issue as the most pressing topic. This is most important topic of these days. We have to take action for protect our environment and climate change. How to protect our climate change? We have to take action by the sustainable development. So this year theme was climate action. After that, World Meteorology Day celebrated on 20th May. Theme was measurement for global trade. When we talk about measurement, it support choosing to create awareness of important role. Measurement play a facilitating fair and global trade was related to ensuring product meet standards and regulation. After that, it also support a satisfactory customer quality expectation, and this theme was related to this time only. How we have measure and for global trade. After that, we are going to discuss International Day of Biological Diversity celebrated on 22nd May. Theme was our solution are in nature, because we all are depend on nature for our food energy. We cannot survive without nature. Nature gives us everything. In this advanced technology, we all, or we say totally depend on our nature for our health, ecosystem, for our food, water, medicine, clothes, fuel, etc. So we have to protect our nature. If we protect our nature, we can search every solution in the nature. We can solve the problem of our living. How we protect our nature? So this year theme was our solution are in nature. After that, we are going to discuss World Turtle Day celebrated on 23rd May. Theme was adopt, do not stop. Do not shop, sorry. Adopt, do not shop. It means it generally gives the conservation and protect the turtle. Increase the attention on conservation of turtle. So we have to adopt, do not shop it. Okay. After that, World Environmental Day celebrated on 5th June. Theme was celebrate biodiversity. When we talk about biodiversity, what you understand by biodiversity? Biodiversity is the variety and variability of life on earth. It includes everything: plant, bacteria, animal and human being. Word biodiversity is come from biological diversity. It means variety of life on earth. This year, World Environmental Day was celebrated with this theme. And World Environmental Day is one of the biggest day of recognizing for encouraging people of worldwide to save and protect our environment from different environmental challenges the world is facing these days only. So World Environmental Day is very important and we have to celebrate this day. After that, we are going to discuss International Yoga Day. Was celebrated on 21st June. This is recently. It's celebrated by our PM Modi ji. And theme was yoga at home and yoga with family. इसका मेन मोटिव है कोविड-19. एट द टाइम ऑफ कोविड-19 सिचुएशन द थीम इज मेड अप according to this situation. We have to stay at home and stay safe with our family because our family is our important. And this yoga day is mostly celebrated worldwide event. This is worldwide event and celebrated through all country by practicing yoga, meditation, debate and different type of cultural activities. So I hope you all understand of this video and what is the different theme of these days which is already happened. Different type of days which is celebrated related to all environmental science. The main motive for making this video is because you all know कि इस समय अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स में मे बी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हो सकता है कि इसमें से 1-2 क्वेश्चंस आ जाएं जिसको आप क्रैक कर पाएँ. तो आई होप कि दिस इज़ वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू एंड दिस इज़ वैल्यूबल फॉर यू. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई चैनल then please subscribe Guard Environment by Learning. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.